Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss most used form of preposition or the most common mistakes in prepositions. So the first one is aim at, not on or against. So aim will always follow at preposition. So don't say she aimed on or against the target, but you say she aimed at the target. There are certain words which will follow preposition at, like throw at, shout at, fire at, shoot at. So next one is angry with, not against. So don't say the teacher was angry against him, but say the teacher was angry with him. So angry will always follow with, not against. There are certain words which will always follow with, just like angry with, annoyed with, vexed with, indignant with. Next one is anxious. So the meaning of anxious is troubled about, not for. So anxious will always follow about. So don't say they are anxious for his health. So we may say they are anxious about his health. Anxious meaning wishing very much, and it will always follow for. So parents are anxious for their children's success. So anxious about. Next one is arrive at, not to. So don't say we arrived to the village at night. So we can say we arrived at. At is a preposition. About is also a preposition. With is also a preposition. So we arrived at the village at night. Note, arrive in is also used when someone come to a country or a larger city. So Mr. Smith has arrived in London or New York or India, Islamabad or Pakistan. So these are some names of capitals and countries. So arrive in will always use for countries and metropolitans, but arrive at will use on a smaller scale, just like village. Next one is ashamed of. So don't say he is now ashamed from his conduct. So we may say he is now ashamed of his conduct. So ashamed of is a preposition. So there are certain words like ashamed of. Ashamed of meaning is meaning shy. Ashamed meaning is feeling shame or guilt about something. Shy meanings is feeling nervous with someone instead of saying I am ashamed or ashamed of my teacher. So say I am shy of my teacher. So it's all for today, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Good luck.